my name is Madison Harris, and this is my final website design for the Adams County, Iowa page. So this is my website for the mobile version of the app. There's some information up here, and you can scroll down to quick links, which will take you to the pages that we were assigned to do. Voter information, driver's test, photo history, and building permits. Here's my footer. With user testing, one user I tested on all the pages, they liked the banner image, but I had a gray bar up top with the text over it, and they thought that I needed to make the banner image darker and have a larger header up top. So that's what I did. So you can go to the pull-out menu, go to any of the departments listed, or you can go straight to the quick links and go to the next page, voter information. Here's my elections page with more information. You can click to register to vote, find the map on the precinct on the map, go to the next page, the driver's test page. There's 2 locations, and I keep the banner consistent on every page. Scroll down, go to the next page if you need to, go to the hamburger menu, go to the history page. This is the photo history. There's a gallery, information, click more to discover, and then there's a smaller kind of grid of photos. This is the building permits page. They can apply for a permit and look at the county zoning map. There's information underneath both of those. And that's it for the mobile. Here's the desktop version. It's wider. I added a search bar up here that's longer. And it's about the same, only I changed some of the shapes. You can either go to the hamburger menu or go to the links again. Here's a voter elections page, the driver's test page, photo history page, the gallery, stretched out this and made the images bigger, and the building permits page. With all these pages, user testing helped a lot because for one tester, they commented more on my design, and others commented more on how to access things on my website. So they told me to move some things around, make the quick links on the bottom, and things like that. Here are some of my mock-ups as well. And that's it.